Hey everyone, it's MJ here with another short keyboard video for you. And in today's video, I want to go over the Moondrop Tessence. Now these switches, they're tactile switches. They have a very nice feel to them and they're very smooth. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how they sound on this modified drop control high profile keyboard. And then I'm going to compare that against the Gazzew Boba U4Ts on the very same keyboard with the very same keycaps. So you can decide which one you like best and get a good feel for them. Anyway, now I'll show you the sound test and then I'll come back to you after that. Well, what did you think about that? My personal opinion is that the Moondrops sound, well, obviously they're higher pitched, but with this aluminium keyboard, with the drop control high profile, I feel that they sound significantly better than the U4Ts. But you know, that's always subjective, and that's my personal opinion. What do you guys think? Did you prefer the U4Ts or did you prefer the Moondrop Tennence? You guys let me know down below. And in the meantime, that's all for me for now. And I hope you guys stay safe and I'll see you soon.